Howdy, folks. Today, we're talking about a recipe for an all-natural wrinkle reducer, which can also work wonders for age spots and spider veins. This simple remedy uses witch hazel to protect your skin with antioxidants and argan oil to keep it hydrated and elastic. Regular use can give your face a healthy glow and help wrinkles fade over time. With consistent use, this easy treatment can help your skin look smoother and more youthful. The recipe makes 15 doses. What you'll need is 2 tablespoons of argan oil and 2 tablespoons of alcohol-free witch hazel hydrosol. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Combine ingredients. Pour the argan oil and witch hazel into a dark-colored glass bottle with a narrow neck. Label the bottle with the date and name of the mixture. Step 2. Shake and apply. Shake the bottle well. Put a small amount on a cotton ball or pad and gently apply it to clean skin, focusing on areas with wrinkles, age spots, or spider veins. Step 3. Use regularly. Apply the mixture twice daily as part of your skincare routine. Step 4. Storage. Keep the bottle in a cool, dark place. The mixture will stay fresh for up to 2 months. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures, natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.